Hello my dear students, how are you? Hope everyone is well. Today in this video I am going to discuss how the main current and branches current of a balanced Wheatstone bridge can calculate. Okay, here a schematic diagram of a Wheatstone bridge is given. Okay, and suppose the current that flows from the battery is I. This I is the main current. When this current I reach at this point, then it divided into two paths. Suppose this along this path the current is I1 and along this path the current is I2. Okay, now we have to calculate the ratio of P and Q. So we get P by Q equals to 8 by 12, that is 2/3. Again, if we take the ratio R and S, we get R by S equals to 16 by 24, that is 2/3. Here the ratio of P by Q equals to R by S. Finally we get P by Q equals to R by S. This implies that this bridge is in balance. As this bridge is in balance, that's why the potential at this point is equals to the potential at this point. As their potential is same, that's why no current will flow through this galvanometer. That's why we can't remove this line. Okay, so what we get? We get that P and Q here is in series and R and S is also series. Now to calculate the main current, first we have to calculate the equivalent resistance of this circuit. Okay, as these two resistances are in series, that's why we can redraw the above circuit as, suppose the equivalent resistance of P and Q is RS1 equals to here 20 ohms, and the equivalent resistance of R and S is here RS2 equals to 40 ohms. Okay, here the main current is I, and this current will divide it into two paths, here I1 and here I2. Okay, again here RS1 and RS2 are parallel to each other. That's why we can again rearrange it, and the equivalent resistance is RP. Okay, and the value of RP, we can calculate that 1 by Rp equals to 1 by Rs1 plus 1 by Rs2, or Rp equals to Rs1 Rs2 divided by Rs1 plus Rs2. Okay, now we can put the value 20 into 40 divided by 20 plus 40. So the equivalent resistance is here 13.33 ohms. Okay, so from this circuit we can calculate the main current is I equals to E divided by Rp plus small r. Here E is 3 volt. Okay, Rp is 13.33 and this small r is the internal resistance of this battery, and it is 2 ohms. After calculation we get the main current is 0.196 ampere. Okay, so here we get the main current of this Wheatstone bridge is 0.196 ampere. Okay, now we have to calculate the current I1 which is passing through RS1. To calculate this I1, we know the I1 is passing through the resistance RS1, so opposite resistance is RS2. First we have to write RS2 into the main current I divided the summation of two resistances, that is RS1 plus RS2. Okay, here RS2 is 40, I is 0.196 divided by RS1 is 20 plus 40. So from it we get the I1 is 0.13 ampere, I1. Okay, next I2. To calculate I2, similarly we can take that I2 is passing through the resistance RS2. So the opposite resistance is RS2 into main current divided by the summation of the resistance RS1 and RS2. Okay, here RS2 is 40 and the main current is 0.196 divided by 20 plus 40. So here the I2 is 0.065 ampere. Okay, so here we get the I2. Okay, in this way we can calculate the main current and the branches current of a balanced Wheatstone bridge. I hope you have understood it.